Okay, this is the theme from the new World Symphony by Dvorak, and here's how it should sound. Okay, we'll begin with the right hand. We start with 3, 5, 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5, 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. And of course, I should have said that's middle C position. 2 black keys, C to the left, every finger getting a white key. Now the left hand is in the middle C position, it's in low C position. So it's going from low C with finger 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it plays 5 and 1 together. Then it plays 3 and 1. 2, 3. Now this is 3 notes at the same time. It's a 5, a 2 and a 1. Like this. It does it again. And it does it again. Now we go back to 5 and 1. C and G. We have 3. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 2 and 1 together again, and finally 5, 3 and 1 together. So here's how they all come in at the same time. We have 5 and 1 on the left with 3 on the right. 5, then 3 left with 5 right. 1 left with 3 right. Both 2s, 3 left with 1 right. 5, 2 and 1 on the left, with 2 on the right. 3, 5, 3, same again on the left, 5, 2 and 1 with 2 on the right. And we play it once more on the left. Now we go back to 5 and 1 left with 3 right. G, 5 on the right on its own, 3 left with 5 right. 1 left with 3 right, both 2s, 3 left with 1 right, 5, 2 and 1 on the left with 2 on the right, 3, 2, 1, and then we play 5, 3 and 1 left with 1 right. Okay, and the note names are C and G on the left with E on the right. Right, E on the left with G on the right, G left with E on the right, F and D together, E and C. So we're just walking down the notes. Then we have C, F and G on the left with D on the right, E, G, E, same again on the left, C, F and G with D, we play C, F and G again. Okay, we have C and G left with E right again. G, E left with G right. G left with E right. F and D, E and C. C, F, G again with D on the right. E, D, C, and C, E and G on the left with C right.